Hello everyone! So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a vision board on your computer or a dream map, anything you want to call it. So this is going to be a very quick video because it won't take long to do it. So first things first, you go to Pinterest and search for everything you want to put. This is very quick and easy. For an example, I search here for model, so you just choose the images you want to use and save them. After that, just go in PowerPoint and put them together. So basically you can put everything that makes sense for you in the moment, and then you choose how and where you're gonna put the images, and that's it basically. So after that you can use it on your computer, and that's it. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel.